This is Highlights Kids, and it's exactly what it says it is. It's highlights on the internet. It's based off the magazine that's been around for so long. It's something I had as a child. It's something that both of my girls have had. And it just has all of those fun things inside there that's accessible online. Um, this is something I tend to use for motivation in my classroom. Um, I use it kind of as a reward. If we all work hard on our test, we can spend some time on highlights. If we all stay on green during the day, we can spend some time on highlights. It's fun, but it also has some problem solving type activities on it. It's got craft and recipe activities that can go along with theme time things. Uh, One of my kids' favorite parts are the jokes. We do a joke of the day at our school, and some of the ones that my kids have chosen to share over the announcements in the morning have come off this. This is one that we did recently. Apples and oranges. Apple and Orange were searching for their friend Banana. Apple said to Orange, "Keep your eyes peeled." Everybody got a pretty good kick out of that one. We go back to the top. It's got games. Probably one of the most popular things are the hidden pictures. It's got easier ones, and you can tell they're the easier ones by my first hidden pictures. If you scroll down, this one just says hidden pictures, so it's going to be a little harder if you click into it. It's about age level for my first graders. So here's the heart. Here's the heart. I found it. So little problem solving there, being able to identify. There's an explore aspect. So coming up in October, there will be Fire Prevention Week. So this is something that could be used during that time. It's got a little video we could watch.
Welcome back to Ever Wonder. Today we are here with firefighter.
We're not going to watch the whole thing, but that's another way that it can be used. And last I'm going to click into the activities. Kids all love the crafts. I think that sometimes they spend too much time in technology, and the technology is great to get some of the crafts off of. But let's go up to sea creatures, because I do animals at the end of my year. I can get all of our supplies, and we can do a craft to go along with our animal theme. So, as I said, this one tends to be more of a motivational feature for my classroom, but it does have some other great aspects that can be used within the classroom.